Okay, so hi everyone, my name is Rowan Oliver Michael, and I am from class 81101A4. So today I'm going to talk about the characteristics and differences of monocots and dicots plants. Okay, plants can be broadly divided into two types, which is flowering, known as angiosperms, and non-flowering, known as gymnosperms. Monocotyledon is commonly known as monocot. They have seed with one embryonic leaf or cotyledon. Hence, they are called monocotyledonous plants. This group contains about 60,000 species. The dicotyledonous plants are also known as dicots. These plants have two embryonic leaves or cotyledons. They contain about 200,000 species. Okay, so we move on to characteristics of monocots. In most cases, the plants are herbs and annual. Woody trees are very rare in this group. No formation of taproot or main root occurs in monocotyledonous plants. The primary root is destroyed and fibrous adventitious roots develop. The stem is generally unbranched. In some cases, unbranched stem bears nodes. The distance between the two nodes is called internodes, which may be solid, maize or sugarcane, or hollow bamboo and grass. Again, in some cases, the perennial plants develop underground stems such as onion, arum, etc. The leaf blade of monocotyledonous plants is elongated and remains angular, with the surface of the earth and provided with sheathing leaf base. The leaves are provided with parallel variation. Their margins are smooth. And then the last one, the flowers are mainly trimerous because the number of the members in each whorl is 3 or multiple of 3. Okay, the next characteristics of dicots. The plants are either trees or shrubs and perennial. Plants may be annual and biennial also. Herbs are very few in this group. Taproot is formed from the dicotyledonous plants. The stem is branched and underground stems are formed in a few dicotyledonous plants. The leaf blade of dicotyledonous plants are broad and remain parallel with the earth's surface. The leaves are also provided with sheathing leaf bases. The leaves are provided with reticulate venation and their margins are broken. The flowers are mainly tetra or pentamerous because the number of members in each whorl is 4 to 5. Okay, so next we have differences between monocot and dicot. So the first one we have roots. Despite the type of plant, roots are essential to the plant's growth and survival, therefore encouraging a deeper and more extensive root system that can help increase the health of the plant. Okay, so we have the example of monocots roots. This is the orchid plants. Monocots tend to have fibrous roots that web off in many directions. These fibrous roots occupy the upper level of the soil in comparison to dicot root structures that dig deeper and create thicker systems. And then this is the example of dicot roots. We have sunflower plants. Dicot roots are also one main root called the taproot, where other smaller roots branch off. And next we have stems. As the monocots develop, the stem arrange the vascular tissue, the circulatory system of the plants, sporadically. This is extremely unique compared to dicots, organized fashion that arrange the tissue into a donut-looking structure. The way a stem develops is important to note. Stems are in charge of supporting the entire plant and help position it to reach as much sunlight as possible. The vascular tissue within the stem can be thought of as a circulatory system for bringing nutrients to each portion of the plants. And then next, this is an example of monocot and dicot stem. At left we have the monocot and right is the dicot. Okay. And then next, leaves. Leaves are another important structure of the plant because they are in charge of feeding the plant and carrying out the process of photosynthesis. And then this is example of monocot leaves. We have orchid leaf here. Okay, monocot leaves are characterized by their parallel veins. And then next we have sunflower leaf, which is the example of dicots leaf. Okay, this is characterized as branching veins. And then for the last category we have flowers, and then this is the example of monocot flowers. Monocot flowers usually form in trees or multiple of trees. And then last we have the example of dicot flower. As you can see, here is the sunflower. Dicot flowers occur in groups of 4 or 5. And then that's it. As for the conclusion, we have learned about the various distinguishable of features for the subparts of the two angiosperm plants. In addition, understanding different kinds of plants are beneficial as we can better nourish and grow them on ourselves. And then that's it from me. I hope this video is helpful, and then thank you for watching. Bye bye.